Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Last year on this day, the enemies of Afghanistan took a very precious soul from us all. The enemies who cannot tolerate a thriving Afghanistan perpetrated a barbaric act of terror and assassinated Dr. Tetsu Nakamura, depriving Afghanistan of a symbol of humanity, compassion, and a real friend of Afghan people. On the first death anniversary of Dr. Nakamura, I extend my profound sympathies to his respected family, the government, and the people of Japan. Dr. Nakamura nurtured the love and respect of many Afghans and will remain in the hearts and minds of Afghans for his incredible services in the realm of water management, reforestation, and agricultural development. His tragic assassination triggered an outpouring of grief and sorrow among Afghans throughout the country. Dr. Nakamura came to Afghanistan over 3 decades ago in 1980s, at a time that my people needed him the most, to provide medical care to the Afghans, but ended up curing drought through applying unique techniques in water management, agriculture, and building of canals, which transformed the lives and livelihoods of millions of Afghans in eastern parts of the country. He had deep knowledge of our country and people, and his heart was full of passion for us. He defied the odds against himself and continued to serve the most vulnerable with enthusiasm and perseverance. He was full of kindness and humanity and alleviating the pains and suffering of our people. His great knowledge of reforestation was matchless, and he left an incredible legacy behind to be followed. He transformed a vast desert to lush forests in 2 years in eastern Afghanistan. Gamberi Desert is a clear illustration. Dr. Nakamura is a source of inspiration and a towering personality for the Afghans. At the peak of his popularity, the people of Afghanistan named him Kaka Murad. The Afghan people, as a grateful nation, will cherish and acknowledge Kaka Murad's vision, services, and memory forever. And his honorable family will remain in the heart of every Afghan. As the President of Afghanistan, I was honored to spend 2 days with Dr. Nakamura and discuss in depth about his projects last year. I granted him the honorary citizenship of Afghanistan and awarded him with the most prestigious state medal of the country to recognize his tremendous services. The terrorists took a beautiful soul away from us, but his brilliant legacy and work spirit are engraved in the hearts of the Afghans in the coming generations. The government of Afghanistan is committed to implementing projects in the sphere of reforestation, agricultural development, water management in Lower Paktia and Kabul to help Afghanistan turn into a lush and green country in realization of his dreams. May his soul rest in eternal peace.